What's going on, YouTube? Back again today with a little tech tip. I don't know about you guys, but I like good tasting water, and I hate having to change these inline water filters out like every month. Not to mention they're like 18 bucks, and they literally last a month, and my water tastes like it's got motor oil in it because I live in Southern California and the water here sucks. You know. But thank you, Oregon. Make sure to flush twice. We need the water down here. But anyhow, what I wanted to show you guys is you can upgrade to one of these filters. These filters are actually made for your sink. Um, they come with one of these doodads, hoses to hook up to your sink and use for your sink. Now, these last, I believe, guaranteed for 1 year, right there. So, anyhow, you can get 1 year's worth of use out of these and get better tasting water. And seeing as how you're not using your sink, which uses a lot more water than your water filter in your fridge and your ice maker does, this filter in theory should last a whole lot longer. And all you have to do is just get these little half to quarter-inch adapters, and there'll be a link in the description below where you can get these on Amazon, so I get a little kickback. But anyhow, this filter costs $35. This filter costs $18. The fittings are like $5, if that. Um, the actual price will vary on Amazon, whatever. But anyhow, install this filter just in line the same way you would do the other one once you put the other fittings on here. Remember to use a wrench on both ends so you don't break the seal on the filter itself. And just install it in line. Remember there is a flow direction, so that's going to go towards your refrigerator, this side. This side will go from your water supply. And anyhow, turn it on, run your water through, like a gallon through your filter, throw all your ice away, and you're good for like 12 months. Anyhow, just a little quick little tech tip for those of you guys that like good tasting water and hate changing your water filter out. Anyhow, see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.